stop playing with him.
Jada Vinci in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his bitch. Got him asking.
Alright, so today I'm going to be sharing with you guys, I'm going to be showing you all how to reapply a wig that has been through some stuff. Nah, this wig is really good. I still love it. It's from Cupcake Beauty Bar. I will be reinstalling it. I just washed it. Lace is already cut off. So if you're like new and you want to reapply your wig, this is going to be very helpful. All my videos are very helpful. There is no elastic band, no elastic strap, even though that would make it a lot easier. Today we won't be going for easy peasy. We will be using our Got2b glue spray, and we might go in with the Got2b glue gel. Haven't decided if I wanted to yet. Then I will be using a rat tail comb. I do have braids that are already sleeked down, and I gelled my hair back because I noticed that my hair, I don't know, like I have a lot of extra hair everywhere. So after we know where we're gonna want it on our face, what we're gonna do, we have it like where it's gonna go on our face. I'm gonna start by putting some of this gel on. I didn't want to use the gel, but I'm gonna use the gel because I want this to last at least a week. Like that's a long time, but I have a lot of stuff to do. Oh guys, my little brother, he just got drafted to the Major League Baseball, so we're so excited about that. But he graduates high school tomorrow. This weekend I have to go to a repass. On Sunday, I have a maternity photo shoot. Then that next week, I have more graduations to go to. And I don't really see myself reapplying wigs. This is a wig that I can sleep in. It's super comfortable. You know, like I literally don't have the time for the extraness. We're gonna do it this way. But it really doesn't matter. You can use anyone that you like. You can use literally anyone that you want. So we're gonna put it on. We're going to wipe it in. And I like to put the most on my forehead because I have a really big forehead, and yeah, for me, I like having a big forehead. So if you have a big forehead, you're lucky. Wigs and you are lucky. Like you're lucky. You're a lucky person. You do need to take this on cool. So we're gonna take our blow dryer and hit the cool button. Once you got one layer of cool on, I'm gonna go on with the second layer. Then I'm gonna also spray some Got2b glue freeze blast on my hair too. And if you're afraid to do this, I have people in my comments like, I'm just so afraid to mess up my wig. It comes off with water. So either you can try it yourself, or you could pay somebody money to do it. Either way works, you know, but I just need you to know that you can do it. This yellow seems to dry down a bit faster than my black one. I don't know why, but I'm gonna go with my freeze blast spray. Freeze blast spray. It's such a tongue twister, but this has saved my life. You can literally spray your wig down with this. I have a full video showing you my first time just spraying it down with freeze blast. So I'm gonna link it in the card for you to check out, just in case, you know, you're not here for all this extraness. But this works just as well too. So I'm gonna spray this on for some extra security. The middle is tacky. You're gonna wait until when you touch it, it's, you know, kind of sticky. That's all you're waiting on, okay? You're like, when do I know it's enough? Once it feels tacky to you, because if it's still kind of mushy and gooey, it's not gonna work. This isn't like Ghost Bond where it dries clear. Once it dries clear, it's probably too settled, and you're not gonna be able to stick your wig down. You know, any craziness happens. I'm gonna just zoom you in a little bit, not too much. Look at me, not so much. No, I'm just playing. We're gonna just make sure it's still in place. We're gonna put the forehead down first. What I am gonna do is cut some of this extra off because I have extra on my forehead. So once you've got the lace on your face, you're gonna press down with anything firm. Okay, so now just for some extra security, we're gonna spray this side too. So before we go in and cut the extra lace off, we're gonna go in with our scarf to kind of slick down the edges. Whatever kind of scarf you have, if you had like a little legging that was already cut, that would be perfect, but I'm gonna just kind of roll this up just like this. And we're gonna put it on there firmly and just cut this extraness off. And if you don't have pressing comb, this is going to be the best bet for you, I promise. And I have time to kind of let the hair mold into place because the events that I'm going to are not until tomorrow, so we're good. Now we're gonna go on with our powder. I would normally use this all over my face when I have makeup on. And we're going to just add it to those little pieces to the hairline. After you got your edges looking how you want them to look, edges over here. So I went in with some eyeshadow that was brown. Let me show you guys what I did. I touched up the roots because the part was kind of too spaced out for me, and some of the roots needed to be touched up with a bit more brown. Then I guess we could do a makeup tutorial together because why not? I added some brown. You see? To make the part smaller, I added some brown to the roots to make it look like, you know, we just touched up some roots. So yeah, behind our ear, it's a vibe. Everything's looking good.
This Louis got me feeling like a baddie. This Gucci got me feeling like a baddie.